So we are going to start a company and we'll configure the company on SAP. So the company will be, let's say, what shall be the company?
पाकिस्तान के बारे में बात हो रही है तो पाकिस्तान के नाम बताएं।
Oh no, we'll take a hypothetical DAP group.
वालेकुम सर, कैसे हैं आप?
Walaikum assalam, I'm good. Okay. So we have a DAP group, and this company is basically the mother company. Okay, DAP group, and at company level, the reporting currency will be USD. Okay, and then we'll define a company code, and that will be DAP again. DAP private limited. Okay, and reporting currency will be AED. Chart of accounts. What is chart of accounts? It's group of accounts, and we will be making DAP 1. Okay, or let's keep it DAP. Fiscal year variant, this will be DAP. What is fiscal year variant? That is the reporting fiscal year from January to December, or July to June, or April to March. Once these parts, chart of accounts and fiscal year variant, are done, okay, then we can proceed to define controlling area. Now, what is controlling area? Controlling area, in very easy, simple words, is cost center accounting, profit center accounting, product costing, profitability analysis, production planning, multi-company code reporting and integration. Okay, so controlling area mandates use of one chart of account plus fiscal year variant if you want multiple company codes. So every company code will follow the same chart of accounts and fiscal year variant. Okay, so we'll use January to December to keep it easier. Okay, and segments. What are segments? These are business niches or verticals. Okay, so we will have vertical called DAPP and DASV. Okay. DASV. Now, what is DASV? This is passenger vehicles and SUVs. Ledger settings. Now, what are ledgers? In SAP, there is one universal ledger. Okay. That is called 0L ledger, that is defaulted. It is also called leading ledger. Okay. So ledgers have their own currency, accounting standards, and currency accounting standards, and what else? What else? Entries also. Okay. So if we want multiple currencies, USD, Euro, INR, EGP, SAR, AED, then what will be? Then we have option for multiple ledgers. So multiple ledgers can be standard ledgers or extension ledgers. Okay, standard ledgers can can be different with currency and accounting standard. Okay. While extensions are copies of standard ledgers. So leading ledger is also a standard ledger, but only one leading ledger can be present, is allowed. Okay. So extensions are mirror copies, and we can allow manual entries or not. That is up to us. So ledgers are basically used for currency reporting, currencies, accounting standard, and entries. And we can have multiple up to 7 ledgers. Okay. So this is our topic for today. Now, let's start with our configuration straight away.
Oh, okay, okay.
That's why I have outlined all the steps that we're going to do today. Okay. So this is front end. We'll come back to the front end later. SPRO, this is transaction for accessing the back end. SAP reference implementation guide. Since our first step is mother company. Okay. So enterprise structure is where you define your company's structure, and definition is the first node. Since company is defined by the backbone, which is financial accounting. Financial accounting is always the backbone of the company. To define company, new entries, DAP, DAP group of industries, language ki English, currency is USD, as we have decided. Reporting will be USD. Okay, save, new. Okay, now this is saved, and we are going to create all of the configuration in this very node that we have just saved now. DAP group of industries. Next is company code. Company code. Edit, copy, delete. Edit company code data. New entries. Company code will be DAP. DAP. We can say DAP Sharjah Private Limited. Country AE. Currency AED. English language. Save. Country is AE. This is our request node, transportation node, or configuration node, where we'll save everything in FICO for this company. And that way you will have everything in one node. Okay. Okay, next step is define segment, and our segment is DAPP and DASV. New entries, DAPP, DASV. DAP group, passenger vehicles, DAP group, SUVs, and already exist. Okay. DAPP. Oh, let's do it DAP. Okay. Segments are made now, and your segments will be used for profit center accounting. Okay. Next step is OBC4. Field status variant. Okay. Copy as that. That. Copy all entries. Copy all. Okay. Save changes. Yes. Yes. Now, what is field status variant? We'll discuss this later on. Okay. OBC5. Sorry. OBC5. Position. Company code is DAP. Okay. DAP Sharjah. Field status variant will be DAP. That we have just configured in the last step. Okay. So we have assigned field status variant to DAP. Now, what is field status variant? We'll discuss that later. Again, SPRO /n means new session. Okay. Financial accounting. What we are going to do right now is one thing more. One thing was field status variant, and other is posting period variant. Now, what is posting period? We already know what is fiscal year variant, and in fiscal year we have a posting period variant. Now, posting period variant says whether period 1 is open or close, whether period 1 to 12 is open or close. Either all are open or all are closed. Okay. Global setting. Ledger. Fiscal year and posting period variants. Maintain fiscal year variant. Assign company code to fiscal year variant. Let's do this first. DAP Sharjah. Fiscal year variant is K4, which is January, December, 4 special periods. Now, what is 4 special periods? I'll tell you later. But let's first posting periods. Open and close posting periods. Maintain all. Now, if you look at it over here, the variant is 01, which is by standard given by SAP. From account to account, we'll discuss this later. From period 1 column of that year, period 2nd of another year. Okay, it can be same or it can be another year. So it says period 1 of 2024 to period 1 of 2030. That means from first month to the last month of 2030, everything is open in this variant. Okay, for which modules? Plus means all modules. All modules means GL, AP, AR, assets, bank, cash and bank, material, everything. Okay, even even vendors as well. A means asset, D means customers, K means vendors, M for material, S for GL, and V for contract accounting modules. Okay. From account to account means empty means from the very beginning to the last limit. This is empty means starting limit to the Z limit, end limit. So it covers everything. Okay. So that's what we are going to do for DAP as well. We'll define a variant. New entries, DAP, posting period variant, DAP, save. Okay. Now we'll assign it to the company code. DAP, DAP, save. Okay. Open and close. Double F42. Now double F42 is a template of company code that we have created. For that, we have created all this. Or rather, we'll go from here to open and close. Maintain all. Position double F42. Double F42. Copy as DAP. Control Y. I'll delete all this. Copy, paste. Control Y. Select, delete. Control Y. Select, delete. Control V. Save. Okay. And now, special periods 13 to 16. These are for month end, year end adjustment months where you can post posted invoices, unplanned depreciation, or unreconciled bank balances and material, or GR, IR postings, back postings, tax postings, withholding tax postings, right? These are adjustment months. Okay. This is saved. Next is an important step. Okay, ledgers, we're done. Global setting, we're done. General ledger accounting, master data, GL accounts. Master data of GL accounts is GL accounts, right? So we have to prepare that. Okay. Preparations, edit chart of accounts list, new entries, DAP, Chart of accounts, tab, group, Sharjah. Maintenance language will be English. Length of GL account number will be 10. Save. Assign company code to chart of accounts. DAP. Continue. We have to assign DAP. Okay. Save. This is saved. Okay. Account group. Position. L9 CA. More. New entries. Oh. No. L9 CA. Copy as DAP. Control Y. Okay. Zero balance. What is zero balance accounts? And what are now we are just limiting the scope of the chart of accounts because we have to work quite a lot in chart of accounts. So this will not be an exhaustive. Much more can be added to this. So we'll just copy this. So we have zero balance accounts, assets, expenses, income, liabilities, and secondary cost. Okay. These are account groups under which GL master data will be made. Okay. Define retained earnings account. Okay. Define retained earnings account, and our chart of accounts is DAP X 100. It says system says it's not created. Just press enter or save, and it will go away. It's just a warning. Warning is not fatal. Next, fin SC underscore ledger. T code. Zero L is the leading ledger. Company code settings, double click. And our company code is TAP. TAP. Double click. Okay. Fiscal year variant is January to December. Posting variant is TAP. Parallel accounting is allowed. Accounting principle is GAAP. Functional currency is 10. Currency type is company code currency with legal valuation. Now, what is 10? I'll explain that. Currency versus valuation. 1, 0, as we see over here in SAP. So 1 is company code currency, 0 is legal valuation. 1 is company code currency, and 1 is group valuation. One, 2 is company code currency, and 2 is profit center valuation. So in SAP, we have 3 kinds of valuations: legal, group, and profit center. Okay. 20 is 2 controlling area currency, and 0 is legal valuation. You already know that. 21 is company code currency. Okay. 30 is group currency, and 0 is, of course, it's legal valuation. Okay. So now we'll save this. Okay. Now, local currency is this, but global currency is still missing. Okay. So currency conversion setting for company code, we'll come back to this later. For that, we have to accomplish much more. Okay. SPRO. Enterprise structure, definition, controlling. I've already told you what is controlling area. Okay. This is controlling area. Maintain controlling area. Maintain controlling area. I hope this is all clear to you. New entries. Controlling area is equal to company code. Our company code is DAP. It will select everything. And over here, we'll remove 10 and make it 30, and it will become cross company code USD. Now 30 is group currency. Okay. Now this is mother company's currency. Exchange rate M, this is average rate of the day, daily rate. Okay. I'll save this here and I'll stop the lecture today. Okay. I hope you have learned quite a lot.